Hi everyone, this is Andrea with ClearSpeak. Okay, so I'm going to talk right now about identifying English vowels and the key syllable or the main stress syllable in words and what those vowels are, and some tools you can use to practice making sure that you're giving that vowel its full clarity and attention, making sure it's long enough, loud enough, big enough so that you're speaking clearly. Okay, I'm going to share this first. Okay, here's a little chart of the English vowel system, and I'm going to go through these. These are not written in IPA, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet. I'm using more of the system that matches Google Dictionary so that you can use those tools when you're practicing. Let me grab a tool here. Okay, this one right here is E, E, I, eh. You can see my mouth opening up as I go down this. Really closed on E, I, ah. This one here goes from to E, A. This one here goes from to oo, ow, ow. This is an unstressed vowel, gets used a lot as we unstress words or unstressed syllables. Let's do the other static vowels. Ooh, ah. That pulls back more into the back of the throat. Ah. Is in the middle. Ah pulls into the back. Okay, let's look at O. O goes from to oo. O. O. I goes from to E. I. Oi goes from O to E. Oi. Oi. These are the vowels in English. Let's look at a couple of other tools here. I wanted to show you. This is from the Color Vowel company. They have developed those vowels just in a color chart with some associations with them. And I think that it's very helpful. You can use this as you work on listening. I'm going to share my computer sound. Let's turn the volume up a bit. So if you go to colorvowel.com, you can click on these and listen.
E, green tea, E.
So you can use a chart like this not only to listen for that vowel, but then take a word like country, and figure out what's the stressed syllable and what's the vowel in that syllable, because that's the most important one to say correctly, right? Country is, where is it?
A cup of mustard,
Country. The vowel is a mustard sound. A cup of mustard sound. Cup. Country. Cup. Country. And then you give that vowel enough time. You give it significant time when you say it. Okay, let's look at some other tools here. So you can utilize this tool. I would pull this one up. Let's look at Google Dictionary first. So let's say we put in a word like country. You can see it written out here. I don't agree with this spelling because we never put a schwa in a stressed syllable.
Country.
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 Country. It'll have a little dot right above the K. That's the stressed syllable. That first syllable is stressed and it should be an like cup of mustard. That's going to be the same as this one right here. It's So that's what should be written in Google Dictionary. We can also put that word into YouGlish. So I've pulled up YouGlish. I'm going to click on US because that's the pronunciation I want to look at. And I'm going to type in the word country. And it's going to populate my field with videos with that word.
Moving to the country, they had
To the country, to the country. Then I recommend imitating that speaker. You click on next, it'll pull up a new video, a new video, a new video. Let's look at another example. Let's say the word is hair. Hair.
Hair.
Why are they doing all these ones I don't agree with?
Hair.
Hair. Hair. And that's going to, then you're going to figure out which one of these vowels matches that hair.
A.
A.
Gray day. A.
Gray day, a hair. Then it moves back into the See if I can find another one that I agree with here. How about the word time? Time. Time. And again, we can look at the color vowel chart, and it's going to be
I. White tie. I.
time. And then when I say that word, I'm going to go time. So what you can do is make yourself a word list. You can type it into Google Dictionary, listen to it here, use the color vowel chart to also listen for the word, the sound, and you can click YouGlish and put words into here. Let's put time. Now these speakers are going to be much faster, but
states of awareness as they can manage, and at the same time,
and then again, mimic their speech. Okay, I hope that was helpful.